Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm starting a new art challenge, and it's actually a book by Lorna Scobie called 365 Days of Drawing. I received this as a gift on my birthday from a friend, and I was kind of overwhelmed with the whole idea of drawing for 365 days, which is basically a year. And yeah, I kind of opened it up and looked through it and discovered that the prompts are not that hard to do, and they won't take up too much of my time. Now, the book is really cool. It's illustrated by Lorna Scobie, and it has really cute illustrations that you have to either complete or kind of mimic them and stuff like that. But yeah, it comes with a calendar where you can mark off each day that you did, and it comes with 5 categories. So it has imagination, a tutorial, relaxation, color theory, and observational. So these are the 5 categories that you will be improving after this book. As I said, the prompts are really easy, so I kind of did 3 in 1. I won't be drawing daily because my lifestyle that kind of doesn't permit it, but you could do multiple ones in a day. So the first one, I had to draw an everyday project. I chose a mug. It's really simple, and some pencils and a brush. So the first time you draw it, you have to kind of sketch it out, and then the second time you have to basically do it all in one line, sort of. So this was really fun to do, and a short exercise to get my hand warmed up. And the next one was to fill in these diamond shapes and create a pattern. I used some of my favorite colors and created a really simple pattern. This is more of a relaxation kind of exercise. So yeah, these are really easy to do, and you can do them whenever you're not in the mood to do something more complicated or think too much about it. In the third one, I had to draw a tree from imagination. This was also pretty easy to do. Trees can be pretty complicated if you think about them too much, but I chose an orange tree and I kind of did it as I went. Leaves are really easy to paint also. So as you can see, these challenges are really fun to do. You'll be probably seeing more of videos on this book in particular. I know I had the 642 things to draw, but that was kind of overwhelming, and I never got around to finishing it. And I don't know if I will, because some of the prompts are so difficult, and I really don't like the fact that the book is so small. Whereas this book, you have a lot of space to draw, which is great, and you kind of have tips and tricks throughout the book to help you and kind of make you feel more at ease with drawing. So yeah, if you want to purchase this book, my friend bought it off of ASOS, but I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. I will put some links in the description box. And yeah, let me know what you think about this video, if you want to see more of these. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!